game it, but the waterfall car park, so the actual locked car park is further up the road. But we've parked at the side of the road there for free, like everything else in Scotland, which is wicked. And yeah,
looks like a lovely place.
It is a lovely place. I've seen it on.
To be honest.
I've seen it online. Finn hasn't. It's wicked. I'm just hoping that there's enough.
Oh, look at this.
There's enough depth to get in at the bottom, because I don't know whether the infinity pool will be deep enough to get in, but I assume it will be because it's a big waterfall, so there must be quite a big pool at the bottom. We will see. Incredible walk up to it. Waterfall's going to be just around that corner somewhere. Lovely clear.
Ridiculous. Let's jump in, wait!
Woo! Come and have a go if you think you're hard enough.
Come on, I'm trying! I was worried this spot won't be deep enough, and it's this deep. Oh my god. Oh, poor man. The boys, we are in the best spot I think we've ever done. This is by far the best spot we've ever done. We're going to say that a lot. We're going to say that a lot of this trip, and we have said that a lot of this trip, but we're not kidding. Yeah, we're not kidding. To be honest, I don't think it gets better than this, to be fair. It's so deep. We love it. 3, 5. Bash! Man is going for a swim. Oi! Woo! Go on, Michaelis, he's gone for the dunk. Oh, that was a big one! Woo! Signing off. Go! That's so deep! Is that camera on? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, go on.